How to check and update your Android version. This tutorial shows you how to find out what version your device is running and how to get the latest update. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. From there, tap on Software Information to see the details of your current software. Right here, you'll see your current Android version and One UI version listed right there. Take note of what version you're on. Next up, go back to About Phone and tap on Software Update. Moving on, tap on Download and Install to check if there's a new update available for your device. From here, if an update is available, your device will start downloading it automatically. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and have enough battery before proceeding. After that, once the download is complete, tap Install Now to begin the installation process. Following this, your device will restart automatically during the installation. This may take a few minutes, so don't turn off your phone while it's updating. Finally, once your device boots back up, go back to About Phone and check your Android version again to confirm the update was installed successfully. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.